30 garlic and rosemary sweet potato fries. Let's be honest, fries go with just about everything. Ingredients: 1 large sweet potato, 1 tablespoon fresh minced rosemary, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, fresh black pepper. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. 2. Combine rosemary, garlic, salt and oil in large bowl. 3. Cut the sweet potato into fry-like strips and toss into the oil mixture until well coated. 4. Lay the fries out on a rimmed baking sheet, being sure to leave room between fries. 5. Bake for 12 minutes, remove, flip and bake for another 12 minutes or until lightly browned. Sprinkle with a little salt and pepper. 1 fist equals 1 yellow light. Recipe serves 231 spaghetti squash. Turn your favorite pasta dishes into a wonderfully delicious green light meal. Ingredients: 1 spaghetti squash, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle of salt and pepper. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees, and line a rim baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. Cut off the tip top and bottom ends of the spaghetti squash, divide in half longwise. 3. Scoop out the seeds and discard them. Drizzle the insides of each squash half with 1 teaspoon olive oil and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Place them cut side down on baking sheet. 4. Bake for 40 to 60 minutes, until the cut sides are turning golden and the interiors are easily pierced through with a fork. 5. Once the squash is done baking, fluff the interiors with a fork to make the inside spaghetti-like. Serve as